Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're ready to take control of your money and your future, you're in the right place. Today, we re-diving into something that affects so many people but doesn't get talked about enough. Toxic money habits that keep you broke. These are the everyday decisions, the small things that quietly sabotage your financial growth. But don't worry, we're not just pointing out the problems, we're giving you practical steps to break free. So let's get into it. No. 1. Living above your means. The first habit that's draining your bank account? Living above your means. It's tempting. We see people online with new cars, designer clothes, exotic vacations, and we want it too. But here's the harsh truth. Trying to look rich is the fastest way to stay poor. Spending more than you earn forces you into a cycle of debt, paycheck to paycheck living, and zero savings. You might feel good in the moment, but you're robbing your future self. You're trading your long-term financial freedom for temporary satisfaction. So what to do instead? Create a realistic budget that reflects your income. Track every naira, dollar, or cent. Learn to delay gratification. You don't need to sacrifice enjoyment. You just need discipline. Remember, wealth is silent, but poverty often shouts through materialism. Number 2, not having a budget. Number 2 is a killer. Not having a budget. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will leave you. Simple. So many people avoid budgeting because they think it's complicated, boring, or restrictive. But budgeting is freedom. It gives you control. It helps you sleep better at night. Here's how to fix it. Pick a method that works for you, whether it's the 50-30-20 rule, zero-based budgeting, or the envelope system. Use apps, notebooks, or even voice notes. The tool doesn't matter. The discipline does. Treat your money like a business, because if you don't manage your money, it will manage you. Number 3, ignoring emergency savings. The third habit, keeping you broke? No emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Your phone breaks, your car won't start, you get sick, and boom, you're back in debt, borrowing or panicking. So what's the solution? Start building an emergency fund, even if it's $1,000 a week. The amount doesn't matter as much as the habit. Set a goal, maybe 3 to 6 months of expenses, and automate savings if possible. It's not just about saving money, it's about buying peace of mind, and that is priceless. Number 4, emotional spending. Let's talk about habit. 4, emotional spending. We've all done it. Stress, boredom, sadness, or even happiness can push us to spend money we don't have on things we don't need. That quick fix, the thrill of a new gadget or outfit, fades fast. But the damage to your bank account lasts longer. So here's the fix. Learn your triggers. When you feel the urge to spend emotionally, pause. Ask yourself, do I need this, or am I trying to feel something? Replace the habit with something healthier, exercise, journaling, or talking to a friend. And try the 24-hour rule. Wait a day before making any non-essential purchase. If you still want it, and it fits your budget, go ahead. But often, you won't. No. 5. Not investing. Finally, number 5. Not investing. Too many people think investing is only for the rich, or that it's too risky. So they keep their money in savings where inflation eats it away. But here's the truth. You can't save your way to wealth. You have to grow your money. How to get started? You don't need a lot of money. Start small. Look into mutual funds, robo-investing apps, or low-risk ETFs. Learn about compound interest. The earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes. Even investing in $5,000 or $10 a month makes a difference. The key is consistency, not perfection. And there you have it. 5 toxic money habits that keep you poor and what to do instead. Remember, wealth is a mindset and a series of intentional choices. You don't have to be perfect, but you have to be consistent. So which of these habits are you working on changing? Share in the comments. And don't forget to like and share this video with someone who needs it. See you in the next one.